Well, thank you for letting me share my favorite Dr. Seuss book, The Lorax, with you. I really like this book for a lot of different reasons. One of them is that I have good memories of hearing it read to me and watching the movie when I was a kid and when I was in school. And another reason is I really liked the world that Dr. Seuss made and how he had these wonderful truffle of fruits and brown barbaloots and swami swams, and it was a place that I wanted to go visit. And another reason I really like this book was that he kind of made it so that the Onceler made mistakes and messed things up. And sometimes humans do that too, where we make mistakes and we do things that are kind of bad, and it seems really dark. If you look in the book, there's lots of dark pages, but at the end, it's not bad. It's got a bright page, and it tells you, let's go to the last bright page, the good one. And it tells you that you, everybody, even you, can make a difference, and we can change the world in a good way. And that even when things look bad, there's always a seed. There's always something you can do to help out. And that's why I really like this book, The Lorax. Thank you. Bye.